Hello everybody. Welcome to part 3 of our ChatGPT masterclass where we will dive into advanced usage. Fine-tuning ChatGPT to specialize in specific tasks like legal drafting or technical documentation. Today I'll show you exactly how you can fine-tune a ChatGPT model using OpenAI's API to make it perfect for your unique needs. Let's start with step number 1, setting up your environment. What you will need to do is have an OpenAI account. So you will have to create an OpenAI account if you don't have one, and then get your API key from OpenAI dashboard as shown below. Once you get your API key, the next part is to install OpenAI. So what we will do is we'll open a terminal window on Linux laptop if you have one, and then use the below command pip install OpenAI to install OpenAI. You shall see that during the installation there are a number of steps that will be shown, and ultimately it will confirm that the installation has been done. Once installed, open your code editor and authenticate with your API key, just like shown below. Use this command. To train the ChatGPT, now we will proceed to step number 2, which is preparing the dataset. To fine-tune ChatGPT, we need dataset. Let's say I want a model that specializes in legal drafting, especially creating professional legal notices and contracts. I'll create a dataset where each entry contains a prompt and the expected completion. Below are the 3 datasets that we are taking as an example. Open a text editor and copy the examples above. Save it as legal_dataset.jsonl. Make sure the dataset is in JSONL format where each line is prompt completion. Now we move to the step 3. Step 3 is basically uploading the dataset. Now that we have the dataset ready in JSONL format, let's upload it to OpenAI for fine-tuning. First, install the OpenAI CLI is command line interface basically. Upload the dataset using the command shown in the right box at the bottom. Once uploaded, you will receive a file ID. Make note of it. We will need it for the next step. Now we will move to step 4. This is the step where all the fun begins. Now comes the exciting part, fine-tuning the model. So I have shown 2 boxes at the bottom. In the left one, you can find a command which you have to run in your terminal window. OpenAI fine-tunes.create-t file -id here. So the file ID which we noted in the earlier step, you have to put that here -m DaVinci. And on the right side, I have explained what are the parameters. So basically -t is the file ID of your uploaded dataset, -m the base model you want to fine tune. I am using DaVinci since it is the most powerful. This process can take a few minutes to an hour depending on the size of your dataset. Once it's done, OpenAI will give you a new model ID. Please make a note of it. Let's move to step number 5. Now that our model is fine-tuned, let us see it in action. I'll use it to generate a legal contract for freelance software development. Below in the last box you can see I have written the code in Python, which you need to take and then create a Python file and run it. Once you run it, you can see that the model generates a professional contract based on custom dataset we provided. You can adjust the parameters like temperature to control how creative the response is. This brings us to the last step of this video: testing and refining the model. Fine-tuning is an iterative process. If the model doesn't give the results you want, you can improve it by adding more examples to the dataset and refine tuning. Make sure to test the model thoroughly before deploying it in production. Thank you. This last video on advanced use of AI concludes this 3-video series. I hope you liked it and will surely give it a try. I would love to hear from you, so please add your suggestions in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more practical videos. Have a good day and take care.